Now the question number 2 is find the total surface area of the hemisphere of the radius 10 centimeters. So actually here we are talking about the hemisphere. So let us suppose if I am just starting the solution of this one and I'm just forming up a hemisphere. So this is actually nothing but a hemisphere, since it is a three-dimensional figure. So this is a hemisphere. Now further it says its radius is given to us as nothing but r is given to us as nothing but 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is the radius, and we just have to find out the total surface area of this hemisphere. So first of all, we know that the total surface area of a hemisphere is nothing but is equal to 3 pi r square. It is 3 pi r square, and in the question it is already given to us that we have to use pi as 3.14. So let us suppose if I am just plugging in all the values over here, this is 3 into 3.14, the radius being 10 whole square. So let's just sort it out. This would be nothing but 3 into 3.14 into 100. At the end what we are getting it as nothing but 300 into 3.14. So basically we are getting the value as nothing but is equal to 93, and we have 942, and the units are centimeter square. So after just sorting it out, we are getting the answer as 942 centimeter square. So hence the total surface area of the hemisphere, the total surface area of hemisphere is nothing but is equal to 942 centimeters square. So at the end we are getting the answer as 942 centimeters square after the calculations. Now let's just see the next question. The question number 3 says that find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is given to us as 154 centimeters square. Now first of all, since we are just talking about the surface area of this sphere, so we know that the surface area of the sphere is nothing but is equal to 4 pi r square, and according to the question it is given to us that the surface area of the sphere is actually nothing but is equal to 154 centimeters square. And if the surface area is already given to us, which is 154, so this should be definitely is equal to 4 pi r square. This should definitely be equal to 4 pi r square. And let if we are just taking the r being the radius of this particular sphere, so we can able to calculate the value of the r by plugging in the value of pi as 22/7 as per given question. So let us suppose if we have 154 is equal to 4 into pi is nothing but 22/7. This is r square. Let's just take all the values towards the other side. This should be 154 into 7 divided by 88, which is nothing but is equal to r square. So at the end when I'll just sort it out, I will get the answer as r square is equal to, this should be nothing but 49, and this should be nothing but 4 as we have, and this should be nothing but is equal to 49/4 at the end, and we can write it as r square is equal to 7/2 whole square. And if I'll just compare both of the sides, then I will get the answer as r is equal to 7/2, and we have 2 into 3 is 6, 1 is the remainder, and 5. So the radius is coming out to be 3.5, and the units are given to us as centimeter. So the radius is nothing but 3.5 centimeter, and this is nothing but our answer, that the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square is actually nothing but is equal to 3.5 centimeter.